All right, here's another project that came up with 3D printing. I was trying to put the angel on the tree. Last couple of years, she doesn't stand up anymore. Last couple of years, this inside thing is just completely mangled, like just crushed. So I was like, oh, why don't we just print a new one? So I came up with this one on Fusion, and I'm going to try to print it out of something clear, because as you see, the lights are in it. And then I was thinking if I made the holes go all the way to the bottom, I could pull the branches through and it would actually stabilize the angel. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I rethreaded the lights and got them to, I cut out these little holes. So now they sit in there. Now I just have to attach that into there.